Welcome to a tour of the Grand Oaks community. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores with Exit One Stop Realty. I'm a local realtor in St. Johns County. If you would like to connect, my contact information is in the description below. The Grand Oaks community is located in the city of St. Augustine in St. Johns County, Florida. According to St. Augustine record, in 2018, the developer for the Grand Oaks community got the approval to develop up to 999 residential units. Nearly 30% of Grand Oaks has been set aside for open spaces, nature preserves, and recreational areas. There are 3 builders in this community and include Drees Homes, Pulte Homes, and Toll Brothers. The Bluffs neighborhood is being developed by Drees Homes and has a total of 50 home sites. Drees Homes offers 6 floor plans that range from 2,275 square feet to 3,329 square feet. Home sites in this neighborhood have a 60-foot frontage. In the Bluffs neighborhood, Drees features the Grayton model and the Cormorant model. In the Groves neighborhood, Drees Homes is building on 50-foot home sites and offers 7 floor plans. Home sizes range from 2,046 square feet to 2,779 square feet. This neighborhood will have a total of 40 home sites. Pulte Homes is developing the Trails neighborhood at Grand Oaks on 50-foot home sites. This neighborhood is in Phase 2 and will have a total of 131 homes when completed. Pulte Homes offers 6 floor plans and home sizes range from 1,590 square feet to approximately 3,266 square feet. The Trails neighborhood features the Spruce model and the Whitestone model. Lakeview is a gated community that is being developed by Toll Brothers. Once completed, this neighborhood will have a total of 128 homes. Toll Brothers offers 6 floor plans and home size range from approximately 2,600 to 3,093 square feet. The Lakeview neighborhood features the Saratoga model and a Saddlebrook model. The Amenity Center is estimated to be completed early 2022 and will feature a clubhouse, dog park, pool, tennis courts, and more. The nearest Publix grocery store from the Grand Oaks community is about 10 minutes away. Historic St. Augustine is about 15 minutes away, where one can visit Castillo de San Marco and also check out some shops and restaurants. The closest beach is Villano Beach and is approximately 22 minutes away, and downtown Jacksonville is about a 34-minute drive. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. This is Charlie Flores with Exit One Stop Realty. Thank you for watching.